If you were a cleaning product, which product would it be and why?
Oh, I definitely would be a softener because making the world softer for everyone and making a brighter day is my personal goal.
I would be an enzymatic cleaning product because I like to be, very efficient towards one specific target, and with a minimum impact. Actually, an enzyme it sounds kind of lazy because you have to add very little, yeah, and then it's very effective. So I like to be that minimum input, maximum output.
I will be a multi-purpose degreaser because it's like a jolly that you can use in every environment, like in the kitchen or in the common areas, or also in the textile care. And so they give us support for all the treatment, and that's like me. So I try to give a support to all the colleagues or all the customers in every area and every application that they need.
I would be a window cleaner because after they use me, they see everything clear.
I would prefer to be a cleaning solution rather than a single product. I would prefer to be something that integrates the knowledge, like our processes do, that integrates water consumption, energy consumption, disinfection, all of it in one process. So maybe a cool chemistry process or an epic process or something like that. That would be good to be able to touch different fields of the issues of the customer rather than just focus on one specific one.
If I was a cleaning product, I think that I would be an alkaline floor stripper for the very simple reason that it is quite harsh, and many people say that I'm quite harsh in the way that I approach people and problems.
First thing that comes to mind is an all-purpose cleaner. Why? I guess I come around to all of the different departments. I'm very curious what everybody does, and I hope I support everyone, all of our specialists and experts, to do their jobs a little bit better or support them in what they're doing. And I hope I leave the planet and our company a little bit shinier or better.
A disinfectant, because I think it's very important for our customers.
Wow, well, if I were a cleaning product, I would probably be one of our peracetic acid products. They are powerful and they are multifunctional.
I think that the degreaser is smart, can remove the stain, the hard stain, but alone is nothing, and with other products are a team. So I think that it will be degreaser, yes.
I would be a greener window cleaner. It makes your look on the outside world much more shiny.